Hello everyone. As you know, the topic of reported speech is going on. So, in my previous video, I told you about the first type of reported speech, name is assertive, means simple sentences. So, in this video, I am telling you second type of reported speech, name is interrogative sentences. So, there are two types of interrogative sentences. First is which is begin with the by helping verb, and second is which is begin by WH words. So, in the first I am telling you by the helping verb. Rule first, change the reporting verb said or told into asked. Connective we have to use here if ya whether. Rule second, if a positive question in the reported speech has the auxiliaries do, does, this do or does is dropped, whatever the form of question may be, and other change in main verb will be according to rules. As for example is he said to me, do I sing a song now? I am repeating again. He said to me, do I sing a song? This is direct speech. And now we have to change direct to indirect speech. So firstly I am writing here subject. Said to will be changed into asked. Me, connective we have to use here if. Do I sing a song now? In the first, we have to make a simple sentence. Simple sentence is I sing a song now. I sing a song now. I am writing here I sing a song now. I means first person, change according to subject. Subject is he. Now first form will be changed into second form. Then I am writing here sang a song then. Now will be changed into then. Right, student? Next rule is rule third. If the sense of interrogative sentence is negative and do ya does is used in the sentence, do ya does is changed into did. We have to change do ya does into did. For example, he said to me, do I not accept your proposal? He said to me, do I not accept your proposal? He said to will be changed into asked. Me, connective if. Now make this sentence into simple sentence. I do not accept your proposal. I means first person, change according to subject he. She. Do ya does will be changed into did. Not accept your, second person change into object. Object me means my proposal. He. Next rule is rule 4. If did, has, have is used in the interrogative sentence, it is changed into had. Means did, has oblique have will be changed in interrogative sentences into had. But if had is used in the sentence, it remains unchanged. Had will not change. For example, I said to him, have you ever been to Mumbai? I said to him, have you ever been to Mumbai? I said to asked him, connective if you have ever been to Mumbai, you second person change according to object him. Then we have to write here he. Has a will be changed into had. Had ever been to Mumbai. Next he said to me, had you broken my pen? He asked me, connective if had you broken my pen? We have to make a simple sentence here. You had broken my pen. You first, second person change according to object me. Mika, I had will not change. Had broken my first person change according to object me. His my first person change according to subject he. Then we have to write here his pen. This is the proper rule of WH verb sentences. So here one thing is, remember that after changing direct to indirect, we have to remove the question mark. Now students, I am telling you second type of interrogative sentences, means these sentences which is begins with WH words. So rule first here is, we have to use here connective WH words, where, why, what, which, whom, when and how. Second is said to or said will be changed into asked. Next, while changing the direct speech into the indirect speech, we will remove the question mark from the direct speech. For example, here are some examples. So first is, he said to me, where are you going? He said to me, where are you going? So change this sentence into indirect speech. He said to asked me, connective WH word. जो WH word हमें सेंटेंस में मिलेगा वही हम कनेक्टिव के लिए यूज करेंगे. So here I am writing here connective where. Now are you going? We have to make this sentence in simple sentence, you are going. You second person change according to object me I. Is MR will be changed into was going. Next is, I said to him, what is your name? I said to him, what is your name? I asked him, what WH word, what is your name? Your name is, your name, your second person change into object him. His name is MR will be changed into was. Next is, he said to me, is your father at home? He said to me, is your father at home? It is starting by by helping verb. He asked me, connective, whether, is your father at home? your father is at home. Your second person change according to object me. My father is MR will be changed into was at home. Next, he said to me, what is the matter? He asked me connective what the matter is. The matter is MR was. Okay. Now he said to her,